Hey guys, how you doing? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a company called ItWorks. Here's the box. I'm going to still have my shipping label on it. But this is the company right here. It's called ItWorks, and they have a lot of products that I'm going to be talking about today. But the main thing I'm going to focus on are the wraps. So today I ordered a package through this lady named Tamara. Her Instagram is blissfully incomplete. I'm going to link her description down in the box and go follow her. So I have a ultimate body applicator and mini defining gel. We're gonna see what's in here. Let's see. Oh look, it says it works. Hello, my name is Spectacular. Kind of like that. It's just paperwork. So this is the mini defining gel. It comes with 4 little tubes in it, and I also want to say that this is a distributor promotion that I received. If you wanted to do it as in a retail, you would get a tube, a half a fluid ounce tube of this instead of 4 little tubes. And you would also, and here's the ultimate body applicator. You use 1 ultimate body applicator every 72 hours. So I'm gonna go into, and that's all this in this this box. I'm going to go into what these things are. I found this company through Instagram. It's a at-home business. You can become your own boss through selling these items, working it through social media marketing, and it really caught my eye and attention. So I wanted to try this product mainly because I am a mom. Yes, I am 22 and I'm a mother. I'll be 23 April 3rd. Anyways, yeah, I didn't do that right. Yeah, I still can't do that, you guys. Anyways, yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys my stomach. So, whoop, Tamara. So this is my stomach. I know you guys seen my vapor rub video. If not, I will put that link in the description box as well. So anyways, I didn't really snap back, like I wanted to. So I wanted to try these body wraps because Tamara was telling me that they helped her as well, and she's also a mother. So the body wrap is a contouring wrap. It's non-woven, a cloth wrap. It tightens, tones, firms skin. The results can happen in as little as 45 minutes or so. It just depends on your body. Everything works different on everybody's body, okay? I'm not saying that this is going to work. I haven't tried it yet, but that's what we're going to do today. So, you can use it on your stomach, your sides, your back, your leg, your thigh, anything you want to use it on. You can use it on anything. Just do not use it multiple at the same time. Do not use everything at the same time. Don't put these wraps on your arms and your legs. You're going to be sitting in bed like, yeah, it's not comfortable. Do one thing at a time. Try things one at a time. And staying hydrated is key. Everything that I'm telling you is on their website. I will also put that down in the description box if you would like to go check that out. And I just want to say again, the box that I received with the ultimate wrap and the defining gel, the 4 tubes, I received this because I had a promotion doing a distributor pack. So that's what this is, a distributor pack. Now, if you want to do retail, you can get mini items. They do hair, skin, and nail items. I'm thinking about trying that next if I like this. Because my hair is kind of thinning since I got a relaxer. Yeah, I was natural for 3 years and I got a relaxer. I know. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to try that out. And also, I want to try out, they have Keto Coffee. I'm kind of a newcomer when it comes to coffee, but I love mocha, and they have like chocolate flavors, and it's really good for you, detoxes, all of those type of things. If you're into that type of healthy eating and lifestyle, hit my description box. I will put the link in the description box. It's very good company. And if you try out the items and you like the items, you can message me on Instagram, or like I said, I will put Tamara's link in the description, and her Instagram again is blissfully incomplete. She's a wonderful person, and if you have any questions, she will be the perfect person to answer those questions. So they're on the box, they have, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the box they have all of their social media marketing websites and stuff like that. So Facebook is facebook.com/ItWorksGlobal. Twitter is twitter.com/ItWorksGlobal. You know, you see the pattern. Anyways, if you want to do a retail price on these items, it would be up to $115. But if you would like the distributor costs and start to learn your own business, do your own thing, ma'am, I'm telling you, do your own thing. If you would like to do that, you can also message me and I will give you the details on that. So let's go into this box real quick. So the directions on the gel, it says, here's the gel. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyways, it says apply once or twice daily to targeted areas with circular massage until gel is completely absorbed. Extra massaging will assist with the toning effect. That's really what I want to do, is get this toning down. So I'm just going to try this out real quick with you guys. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. I'm just going to. It says you can wear it. Do y'all see this? This is YouTube problems. Do you understand? When you're trying to start your own thing, you might have some mistakes and problems and stuff like that when you're doing it, but keep on pushing. You feel me? Nah, but I'm going to fix this, and y'all, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. Okay. Hold on one second. Okay, I can't open this. Look at this. Oh! Okay. You guys, bear with me. I'm going to fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now, like I was saying, we're going to try this gel together. Let's get to it. I'm going to open this wrap first, because I don't know how long you're supposed to have this gel on here. The directions on this is choose the area where you will apply. It's my stomach. Okay. Wash and dry area thoroughly. I took a shower before I did this. Okay, so open the internal pouch containing one applicator and unfold it. You guys, I'll literally read the directions. You know how some people, y'all probably do. Comment down below if you're one to read the directions before you do something, or you just go straight in, dig right in, no matter what, whatever it is. Anyways, yeah, it has some liquid on it. Okay, hold on, you guys. Let me do this gel first. Okay. So, got some gel. Oh, it's kind of cold. I'm just going to put it right here. And then the wrap. trying to see what the shape of the wrap is, you guys. Okay. Technical difficulties. We will get it together. Okay, so here's the wrap. Ooh, we got some liquid on it. I don't want to get this on my pants. Oh, it's so cold. You guys. Oh. Okay. Okay, so it says that you need to secure it with like a plastic wrap or some tight clothing or something. So I have some plastic wrap. I'll be right back. Okay, plastic wrap. It's kind of hard to do this yourself. I'm trying, you guys. The struggle is real. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna do it this many times. Because I really just decided to do this with you guys. I was going to do a separate video. Alright, I'm going to stop it in the front. Alright. So, got that on right now. And it says leave on for 45 minutes. Alright. Alright. I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm back. I had to change shirts because I don't want to get that stuff on my white shirt. So here's the wrap. I'm about to take it off. It's been 45 minutes. So, what I could say automatically from taking the wrap off right now is that it's kind of still like a little burn going on. Like it's still, like the gel is still working even though I took the wrap off. So I guess that's why you have to like wash it off or whatever. And you can use the gel by itself. You don't have to necessarily have the wrap. So it just works better when you have both. I left it on for 45 minutes. Like you said, I put it on at 11:25 a.m. and I just took it off at 12:10. So, with that being said, yeah, it's still kind of burning right now. It feels like I'm kind of doing some sit-ups. But, like we were saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I need to get a thumbnail. Okay, so, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to try these products out, like I said, all the information will be down in the description box. And without further ado, you guys have a great day. Bye!